Hey y'all, it's So, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be evening out this big chop. Yes honey, if you didn't know already, I cut my locks and I do have a short. I'm gonna post it somewhere right here so y'all can go watch it. Yes, ball day. I cut my hair beginning of June, so it's been about 6 weeks now. The center is it's a decent amount longer than the front. I don't mind the back being tapered. That's the look I want. So I'm gonna just brush my hair out and we're gonna start cleaning it up. And yes, I'm doing it myself because I'm that girl. DIY queen. Okay, here are my clippers, some Remington clippers. Funny, actually I got these when I first started tufting because I needed a way to clean up my rugs. Not too much, please. I got them at like Ross or something. Anyways, I got some real shears for my rugs. And I've just had this ever since. So I'm gonna use a number 3 guard on like the whole head. And then I use the number 2 just on like the nape, like this little area right here. That just feels so uneven, oh my gosh. So yeah, this is my second time cut my own hair, so we learning together, bookies. Go ahead and get this on. Is it supposed to be like that? Oh my god. Okay, like that? No. Okay, is it supposed to be down? Hold on. Everybody just hold on, please. Okay, there we go. So starting with the number 3 guard. Okay, this feels cute. I'm not doing no shape up. I'm not doing that. I had that era. I don't know what possessed me to do that. All I know is I felt fine, so not too much on past me, but no thank you. I'm gonna leave my hairline as she is this go round. I don't know what to do about my widow's peak. I think I'm gonna just let this be her time to shine. But this is the cuts. Clean up the back with the number 2. I'm basically a barber. I'm gonna just hop in the shower and wash. Ooh, child, because I got hair all over me. And then I think I'm gonna do like a little slick down. It's already low and easy. So just like making it lay down smooth. I could start my little wave journey if I wanted to. They low-key already there. Oh, now I accidentally got waves. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower because I feel gross. And I will check back in after. I think I'm gonna try a little slick down. We're gonna say BRB. So these are the results of the cut, and I think it is so cute. I had to shampoo it twice, and then I conditioned it just to make sure I got all the little stray hairs out. I was talking about slicking it down, but it ain't really too much to slick down now. The number 3 guard I use cuts lower than what I thought it was. So I'm still gonna cause I don't know, like it's low-key given I already got waves coming in. I have a do-rag. I actually bought one when I first cut it and it's got a rip in it, which is ghetto. We're gonna charge that to the game. This is just like a warning. Don't judge me because I'm still putting this on my head. I'm gonna go get a new one eventually. But yeah, we're about to use this and I'm just gonna, I don't know, like I'm really just winging it. I don't know nothing about nothing. I haven't been bald in since 2018. I think that's the last time I was like super bald. Let's just go ahead and get into styling. I'm gonna just moisturize and brush it down real good and put my cap on and we'll just see what we wake up to. Use this As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water and my Lotta Body Foam. I do also have some extreme whatchamacallit wet line. I don't know if I want to use that. I don't know. We're literally just experimenting right now. So yeah. I'm feeling like my hands just did all the work. No matter how much I think I cut the back down good enough, it's always enough to curl up. Okay, boom. I'm a widow peak girly. I did want to shave her out, so we just gonna swoop her, do raggy. It's so cute. I wish you didn't have it on it. You see that? Anyway. I'm just gonna double down with my silk scarf. And voila. Oh, my ear. Not too much. Alright, the hair is laid and secured, so I will be back later, sometime tomorrow. It was already tomorrow. It's like 1 a.m. So I'll be back sometime in the afternoon to show you guys the outcome. I actually have a collab to do with Scandinavia. So when I come back, my face will be beat. I'm thinking about doing a sunset eye, but we'll see. Yeah, okay. Alright, so I gotta run a few errands, so no, this is not the final look, but I just wanted to show y'all like what it was giving. First time I take off my little do-rag. It's so cute. Whoa, waves on swim. So they hit on her, like. Yeah, but is the back giving? I gotta get me another mirror. I think I just want my little swoopies. Where's my actual brush? I should probably brush my whole head, right? Shoot, I don't know what I'm doing. That is cute. Like I said, I don't want to shape up, so I'm gonna just swoopy doop my left edges. I don't know, but that's just what we're gonna have to work with. I'm not a fan. Why it looks so dark? I don't know. That looks crazy to me. I'm literally just about to go to the grocery store. My little bald head is so cute. Like, I don't know. I feel like I need to look a little bit more feminine because I'm giving a little boy. Bow. Is that what you mean? Hey. Okay, I'm about to go run my little errands. Waves on swim, so they hit on her for real. Like, my cute little head. I'm gonna run my little errands and then I'm gonna check back in when the face is beat because I gotta make some content tonight. BRB.